are at Joe's. Initial view shows the roof, at least in the front, to be in very good condition. Of course, the shutters are on, so there's going to be no interior damage. And if we look on this side of the house, we can see the gate and fence still entirely intact. However, over on this side of the house, it's a different story. I don't need to unlock the gate, do I? Unbelievable. If the only thing you lost is this gate, that will be a miracle. Shutters are intact. Section of fence missing, no big deal. Somebody's garbage can there. I don't see any missing screens yet. The roof looks great. The roof looks great. Mr. Ben had reported that there were shingles flying off the roof, but apparently it wasn't this roof. Fence entirely intact, except for this one section. Later on, when I get some help, I'll recover all of these pieces, and we'll see what we can do with that. But that's not on this morning's agenda. And that's the end of the video from Joe. Of course, the power is off and the water is on reduced boil order.